Hi, this is Nick with the Arclight Dynamics Tech Support team, and today we're here to talk about the Arclight Dynamics Collision Detection System, which will save you a lot of time and material, which time and material is money, so let's get to it. If you're running your torch across the table and it gets into, hits your material, if you're cutting and your torch stops, hits the material and gets knocked off, the torch is going to stop right there. I can't tell you how much material I've wasted, time I've wasted, trying to multitask, weld, and do other things while I'm cutting really detailed artwork or other stuff like that, where I could have unknowing tip-ups. You want to be able to do something else and not necessarily watch that stuff when you're doing detailed stuff. So it's good to have this collision detection. What's going to happen is as you're traversing the table, maybe a new person's running your table, if they hit it into slats or if they hit it into the material, it's not going to knock your torch off and have it really messed up. It's going to come off of the magnets there and it's going to stop your torch dead right there. And then you're going to have to recover it at that point. Or as you're cutting along and you have one of those unexpected tip-ups come up, this is going to hit it and it's going to knock off this magnet and it's going to stop the torch. And that's really good for your recovery. It's going to stop right there. You're not going to end up butchering a bunch of stuff while your back is turned for the next 5 or 10 minutes. And you're going to come back, yes, it's been stopped for a few minutes, but no, you haven't wasted material. So here we have an example of a small nest we're going to run, something that could potentially give us a tip up. As you can see here, as we're running our sheet, we caught a tip up, and instead of ruining our material by just knocking it crooked and continuing on, the machine stopped where it was at. At this point, we can kind of pull the torch out of the way, we can remove the tip up, and we can go back to our screen and do the correct recovery process at this point. With the recovery process there, it's very easy. It was only in between cuts. So on the screen, we can hit stop and double click on the lead-in for the next cut that we want it to continue on. So another great thing about having the collision detection on there too is it can add a huge amount of safety to the table. If you don't have it and the torch knocks off or it knocks crooked, that could prompt a new operator, somebody that's not comfortable at the table, or even a student, to reach over and grab the torch, causing serious injury. So having the torch stop as soon as it hits something and prevents the knock off of the torch where it continues to cut can prevent that from happening in the future. And this has been a rundown of the Arclight Dynamics Collision Detection System. In my mind, by far, one of the most valuable accessories you can add to your table.